Hi there guys and girls, it's me again. Just want to give you a little update on my nails today. It's a lovely sunny day today, so I thought I'd come outside, do a short video on my nails, show you how they're growing, how they're getting along. I've been requested to see how long my nails are now, so I've got my trusty tape measure out again. Flexible tape measure, so just gonna measure up, see what they're measuring today. What have I got there? So that's, ooh, just about well, coming up for 3 centimeters. So I'd say it's about an inch, a bit more than an inch. Yeah, that's an inch there. So yeah, just over an inch and a little bit. So that's really cool. It's great. They are growing really fast. Onto my right hand there. Growing really, really well. Thumbnails. It's another video in black and white because my nails are quite stained. They look horrible. So just doing a nice arty black and white video for you today. So that's that, just a short video. See you all again soon.